Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something perfect for your Halloween look. The best Scarecrow Gloves, a truly creepy accessory that will elevate your costume game. These gloves are designed to fit a wide range of spooky occasions, from haunted houses to costume parties. If you're looking for that final touch to bring your scary scarecrow, zombie, witch, or wizard look to life, you're in the right place. Crafted from high-quality materials, these gloves feature a terrifyingly realistic skull design on burlap, making them an eerie choice for any creepy character. The fabric is breathable and lightweight, ensuring comfort even if you're wearing them for extended periods. Whether you're strolling through a Halloween party or haunting your backyard for a haunted house setup, these gloves will make sure you stand out. What makes these gloves really unique is the level of detail. They are not just accessories, they act as part of the story of your costume. The burlap design paired with the skull elements transforms you into something truly unsettling. And they also make for a perfect prop at a witch's gathering or a pumpkin-themed event. The versatility doesn't end there. You can use them in multiple ways. Use them as handwear for your own scarecrow costume or even as a decorative piece on your mantle or next to your pumpkin collection for some extra spookiness. For those who love unique Halloween decorations, these gloves can double as creepy accessories to place around your house. They'll give your party an extra dose of horror without even needing to be worn. Imagine the atmosphere they create on a fireplace, a table centerpiece, or even resting on a pumpkin head as if they belong to an eerie scarecrow. The gloves are also easy to maintain, requiring just a simple hand wash to keep them looking fresh for years of Halloween fun. With a solid rating from users who've enjoyed using them at various events, these gloves aren't just a novelty, they're a must-have addition to any spooky collection. So, if you're after a pair of gloves that do more than keep your hands warm and safe, the best Scarecrow Gloves are the perfect choice. They're comfortable, versatile, and downright frightening. Be sure to check them out if you want to take your Halloween costume to the next level. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with another amazing product review.